is in our surroundings. So as we can see, the large variety of things with different shape, different size and texture in our surrounding. So हम जो भी हम सराउंडिंग में देखते हैं, जो भी थिंग्स, वो सब डिफरेंट साइज शेप का होता है और डिफरेंट साइज का भी होता है और डिफरेंट टेक्सचर का भी होता है. Okay, everything in this universe is made up of a material, and scientists have named that is the matter. So, the air we breathe, the food we eat, stone, clouds, stars, planets, and animals, everything, everything is made up of that matter. Okay, so and these things are occupied is space. Okay, ये सब ना एक स्पेस में बिलोंग करता है. ओके, सो एंड हैविंग द मास एंड वैल्यू. Okay, the early Indian philosopher classified matter in form of five basic elements that called Panch Tattva, and which is air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of these five elements. The Greek philosopher had arrived at a similar classification of matter. Modern days, scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. Then we study the state of matter. Observe different types of matter around you. You can see that matters around us exist in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gas. These state of matter arises due to their variation characteristics of particles of matter. First is solid state. We can see that solid have definite, safe, distinct boundaries and fixed volume. That is have negligible compressibility. Solid have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force, and solid may break under the force, but it's difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. एक्चुअली जब हम एक सॉलिड सब्सटेंस को एक्सटर्नल फोर्स उस सब्सटेंस के ऊपर अप्लाई करते हैं, वो उसका सॉलिड उसका शेप चेंज नहीं करता, पर वो ब्रेक कर जाता है, पर वो शेप चेंज नहीं करता. सो दे आर रिजिड. So study the liquid state. We observe that liquid have no fixed. लिक्विड का किसी भी फिक्स्ड शेप नहीं होता है, और वॉल्यूम फिक्स्ड होता है पर शेप नहीं होता है. अगर आप एक लिक्विड को कोई भी कंटेनर में लेते हैं तो वो कंटेनर का शेप वो ले जाता है. सो दे कैन easily फ्लो and change the shape. Then gaseous state. We have observed that gases are highly compressible as compared to the solid and liquid, because the LPG gas cylinder we get in our home for cooking, or the oxygen supplied to the hospital in a cylinders in is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas is used as, that is the CNG that used for vehicles. And the gases have high compressibility and large volume of gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transport easily. In gaseous state, the particles moves about randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, the particle hit each other and also the wall container here, and the pressure exerted by gas is because of force exerted by gas particles per unit area on the walls of container. Here, the gas particles are bombarded to the wall container and produce gas. The- Here the diagram is. Then study the effect of change of pressure. प्रेशर का चेंज होने से क्या इफेक्ट आता है? So if you change the pressure and liquid to gas, then it called vaporization. If you change the pressure in gas to liquid, then it called condensation reaction. Then if you change the pressure in gas to solid, then the deposition. Then if you want to change the pressure in solid to gas, then sublimation. Here the solid to liquid, then fusion, and liquid to solid is solidification. It is the figure of interconversion of three state of matter. So we always need heat. Um, we always need heat for the change the pressure, for changing the state of matter. मैटर का स्टेट चेंज कर अगर हम करना चाहें तो we need heat or change the unchanging the pressure. These are the very important things uh, for state of matter. Yeah, in this process is called evaporation. Here we explain what is the evaporation process. We know that particles of matter are always moving and never at rest. Okay. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, there are particles with different amount of energy. That is which energy? That is the kinetic energy. In this case, the liquid is small fraction of particle at the surface having the higher kinetic energy and is able to break away from the force of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor, and these phenomena of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Okay. So basically, we can say if you liquid that change to vapor at given a temperature, these processes are the if you change liquid into vapor at a specific temperature, that is called that process is evaporation. Okay. So some factors are affecting the evaporation process. So first is an increase the surface area. अगर surface area increase होता है, then we know that evaporation is surface phenomenon. Evaporation is a surface process. If the surface is increased, the rate of evaporation is increased. For example, while putting clothes for drying and we spread them out. Then the increase of temperature. With increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to cool vapor state. Then third is decrease in humidity. Humidity is amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us can't hold more than a definite amount of water vapor. at a given temperature. If amount of water in air is already high, the rate of evaporation is decreases. The last one is an increase in wind speed. It is the common observation that clouds drive faster on windy day. With increase of wind speed and the particle of water vapor move away with the wind and decreasing the amount of water vapor in our surroundings. So thank you today for this end of the session. Thank you very much.